Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the CryptoChrome token using Uniswap and Trust Wallet. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to purchase Ethereum from an exchange like Binance and then transferring it over to your Ethereum wallet on Trust Wallet and then swapping it for the CryptoChrome token. Now, I'd just like to let you guys know as well that I do have lots of cryptocurrency tutorials coming out now and into the future. So if you guys are interested in learning more about cryptocurrencies, how to use them, how to buy, sell, NFTs, and lots more, I really recommend subscribing to this channel as I'll have lots to come out. Anyhow, just stay tuned and I'll show you guys how to buy the CryptoChrome token. So the first step that you guys want to do is you guys want to download Trust Wallet from the App Store. So just head over to the App Store and type in Trust Wallet. So I'm going to head over here, search, then just search for Trust Wallet. And it'll just be this first one right here, Trusts, and then the crypto and Bitcoin wallet. So you just want to download that first. Then obviously you want to make sure that you have Binance or Coinbase or an exchange of some sort. And then create accounts on Binance, which is pretty straightforward. Most of you guys probably already have that, or at an exchange that you guys at least have access to. So I'll just leave that as it is. So just make sure you guys download the Trust Wallet first. Once you guys do that, you can exit out of here and open up Trust Wallet. You'll then be greeted with this right here to create a new wallet. So you're going to want to go ahead and click on create a new wallet. And then it's going to let you know here that you have to back up your wallet now, and you will see 12 words that allows you to recover your wallet in the next step. So you just got to click on the bottom here that I understand that if I lose the recovery words, I will not be able to access my wallet. So it's very, very important that you guys do not lose these words, or else you will lose access to your wallet. And I do not recommend taking a screenshot either. I recommend just writing it down on a piece of paper and putting it in a safe place. Anyhow, you just want to click on I understand for that and then continue. Then here is your 12 words that you cannot show anyone or anything like that. I'm obviously not going to use this account. That's why I'm okay showing it. But these are the words that you guys want to write down and keep in a safe place, or else you could lose all your cryptocurrencies that you have in your wallet. Very, very important. Anyhow, once you're done writing this stuff down, you can click on continue. And then you have to put the words in here to verify the recovery phrase. So just make sure you guys go ahead and do that. And then once you guys put those words in and in the right order, you will see this message here that your wallet was successfully created. That's exactly what you want to see. So you just want to go ahead and click on OK here. And then what you guys want to do next is you want to transfer over some Ethereum. And to transfer over Ethereum, we're going to be using Binance. So I'm just going to exit out of this platform here and head over to Binance. Once you guys are on Binance here, you just want to choose the deposit type that you guys want to send in, whether it's a bank transfer or a credit or debit card. So I'm just going to do credit or debit card. You just want to click on that there. And then you want to go to where it says buy here and just switch this to Ethereum. Once you guys do that, you just want to go ahead and add in the amount of currency that you guys want to exchange into Ethereum. So let's just say if we're going to do $500, we can go ahead and type $500. And then we'll show us here, we'll get 0.159 Ethereum. Now, if you're okay with whatever you see here in the transaction, you can go ahead and click on continue and purchase the Ethereum. So now, once you guys are done doing that, you can just back out of here. And you want to go over to your wallets and find where your Ethereum is located. So I'm just going to find Ethereum here. Once you're on Ethereum, you just want to go ahead and click on it and then click on withdraw at the bottom. Now what you guys want to do is you guys want to go over to your Trust Wallet and get the address for the deposit. So we're going to go back out into Trust Wallet, click on Ethereum, then click on receive, and then just copy this address right here. Then we can back out of here, go back over to our Binance, and just copy this address in at the top. I already have mine in my whitelist, so I can go ahead and put that in. Now what you guys want to do is you guys want to go over to network, click on network, put it onto ERC20, confirm, and then just type the amount of Ethereum that you guys want to send over to your Trust Wallet. Most of you probably just want to do max if you just have that Ethereum by itself, or else you can just type in the amount of Ethereum that you guys want to send over. Once you guys are done doing that, you just want to click on withdraw at the bottom here, and it will take a couple minutes for it to send over to your Trust Wallet. Once it has been a couple minutes, you guys can head over to your Trust Wallet, and I'll show you guys what to do next. And once you have your Ethereum in here, now, once you guys have your Ethereum in your Trust Wallet, whether you transferred it from another exchange like I just showed you with Binance, or you guys purchased Ethereum right in Trust Wallet, which you guys can do as well, you then have to add the CryptoChrome token to Trust Wallet. And to do that, you just want to go over to the description or comment section where I have the link over to CoinMarketCap. And you're just going to copy the contract address from there and paste it into Trust Wallet. So I'll show you guys really quickly what that looks like. You're just going to head over to this page right here, CoinMarketCap, where I have the address for CryptoChrome. Now, you just want to scroll down to where the contracts are and just click on the little copy button beside it. You will then copy the address from there. We can then go back over to Trust Wallet. And then we want to go to the top right of the screen where you guys see the two lines and the two circles. Click on that and then go to the top search bar. And you want to paste that address in here. Once you guys do that, you will see the CryptoChrome token pop up. You can just enable it and click on done. Once you guys do that, you have to go to the browser on the bottom of your screen. If you guys don't have the browser button on the bottom of your screen, you just have to go to the next link I have in the description. I'll show you guys really quickly what that looks like as well. So once you click on that second link, it'll bring you to this website right here where you're going to have to enable the dApp browser. And to do that, you just want to scroll down and just go to where it says step 1. Click on that link. It's going to open up a pop-up here asking you to open it in Trust Wallet. Go ahead and open it up. And then it will add the browser button at the bottom of your screen. So that's pretty easy to do. Once you guys do that, you'll be back in Trust Wallet with the browser at the bottom. Once you have that there, you can go ahead and click on Browser. And you want to scroll down to where it says Markets or Exchanges. And then you want to swipe over and find Uniswap. Once you find Uniswap, you can click on Uniswap. And then if this is your first time on Uniswap, you will have to connect your wallet. So if you just want to navigate to the bottom of the screen where you see the connect button, just click that there, then click on Trust Wallet. You will then see your Ethereum balance in there once you have connected your wallet. So once you guys have done that, you want to click on Select a Token. And then you can go ahead and paste that same address that we got from CoinMarketCap in here. Once you have that done, you can click on Import beside CryptoChrome. And that's just going to pop up this notice here. You can just click on Import. And then you'll have the token exchange that you want in there. So now you have to decide how much Ethereum that you want to transfer into CryptoChrome. So let's just say if you want to do 0.2 Ethereum, you can type in 0.2. And then it's going to ask you right here, no liquidity, click to trade with V2. So you want to go ahead and click on click to trade with V2. Then it's going to show you the exchange that you're going to get for CryptoChrome. Now, you do have to play around with your slippage tolerance. And to do that, you just want to click on that little gear icon right beside swap. And then here I have mine set to 12. This one you could probably put 10. Or even 5. It's up to you what you guys want to do. You will be charged fees every attempt, so you want to make sure that you put a high enough slippage tolerance depending on what the volatility is at in the crypto at the time. So right now it's pretty high, so I would use about 7 to 10%. So let's just do 10 for the example. Once you guys do that, you can exit out of here. And then all you have to do is click on where it says insufficient F balance for me. That's going to tell you to confirm right there or swap. And then it's going to show you a broken down version of your transaction, showing you your fees and your withdrawal rates and things like that. Now, if you understand that and you're happy with what you see, you can go ahead and click on confirm or continue to swap. And then you can exit out of here and go back over to your wallet. And your CryptoChrome will appear in your wallet, usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get the CryptoChrome token using Trust Wallet and Uniswap. This video did help you out. Be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.